These are the instructions for workplace 1J. What's the difference? For this game, each person needs a deck of cards, number cards. You will also need a record sheet, each person, a pencil, and crayons in 2 different colors. Shuffle the cards and place them face down. Each student is going to be doing these next steps at the same time. So if I am one of the players, I am going to draw 2 cards. So we each draw 2 cards. We use those 2 cards to fill in our number strips and these sentences over here. So I have a 6 and a 1. And I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you can see this next step of what I'm doing. So with my 6 and my 1, I'm going to color in my 10 strip here. Now for me, it's kind of hard to color in with using my mouse, but I'm going to do the best I can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's see if I can make that look a little bit better. Oh, it's really hard to do this with a mouse. Okay, so there's my 6. And then in a different color, let's say green, I'm going to color in this 1. Okay, once I get that done, I'm going to come over here to the right, and I'm going to say the difference between 6 and 1 is, and I may have to look back at my numbers, my 10 strip here to see the difference between them. Let's see, each one has 1 filled, but this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more than this one. So the difference between 6 and 1 is 5. And then over here, it's asking me for the equation. So I think for me, the easiest way is to just do this. 6 minus 1 equals 5. And you will just write your equation right there. You're going to go ahead and do that. Let me scroll back out so you can see. You're going to go ahead and do that. I think on your paper you have 5 more times to do those steps. When you get all finished, you are going to circle all of your differences. So that's going to look like this. Let me put that in a totally different color here. I'm going to circle my difference, which in this first one was 5, and go ahead and circle all of them all the way down. Add them all up. Put your total down here at the bottom where it says my score. Your partner's score will go right here. And then over here, you will tell which score was greater than the other one. So let's pretend for a minute that someone's score was a 20. I may need to zoom in a little bit so I can see the sign. So one score was 20 and one score was 17. So the 20 would be greater than the 17.